Welcome to Doodle Joy Academy, where simple shapes become adorable art. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Today we're drawing a happy sunshine. First, we're going to trace a circle. I'm using a plastic lid. Next, we're going to trace two lines to divide our circle in halves. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. And now we're going to trace little dots away from the circle on each line. We're going to do the same in the middle of each section. And now we're going to trace a line joining each dot. This is going to be the imaginary circle. So yes, it doesn't have to be perfect. Our circle is divided in 4 sections. Grab your marker and trace 2 dots on each section away from the imaginary circle. And we're also going to trace a dot at the end of this line on each side. Now we're going to join the circle using a curved line. We're going to use the imaginary circle as a guide. In the middle of each section, our line will touch the imaginary circle. The middle will touch it. Find your middle. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. And now we're going to trace over the inner circle, the real circle. Grab your pencil again and we're going to draw the face. Right in the center, a smiley mouth. 2 round circles, 2 round cheeks, and a couple of highlights. Grab your marker again. Let's trace over the face. Eye, the highlights, and the round cheeks. Grab your eraser, eraser time. The good thing about using a pencil is that we don't have to be perfect. We can trace over our shapes until it looks just right. Now grab your marker again and let's going to fill in the eyes. I'm using black so you can see it more clearly, but you can use your favorite color. Sunny sunshines are definitely my favorite part of the day. Which one is yours? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss a fun art lesson. Until next time, dream big and keep drawing. Bye bye!